And Brock, a tip of the hat to this man, Gene Felton, who won the GTO division in the number 65 Camaro. He drove the entire 500 kilometers by himself.
A real professional and a fine race driver in all kinds of categories. This particular win coming in the GTO category for Gene Felton, but he's won in a bunch of other divisions as well. The GTO cars, stock bodies, this particular class has engine displacements over 2.8 liters. This car, of course, carrying a big American V8. Competing against them, Porsches and Datsuns and a variety of imported machinery. Gene, a real specialist in driving big displacement American stock-type automobiles, which he really excels in. A lot of people say he's one of the most underrated drivers in the country.
I agree. He has over 40 IMSA career victories. That's the most of any active driver. So again, congratulations to Gene Felton. A tough drive, a tired man, but he won it all in the GTO class.
Well, he did it all by himself, as you say, and manhandling a relatively heavy and big automobile like a Camaro around this twisty stuff, as you see him going through that infield hairpin right there and getting a little bit wide. A very, very tiring drive for Gene. So he comes in 10th overall, which puts him right up there with the fast cars. In fact, I'm sure he finished ahead of a bunch of the faster GT prototype automobiles. In the GTU category, the John Schneider, Elliott Forbes Robinson Porsche comes in 12th overall. That automobile, very similar in rules to the GTO automobiles, except that obviously those cars are under 2.8 liters displacement, so a smaller category of production-type cars.
Gene Felton's fastest lap in the GTO class was a minute 31.760 seconds, a track record. Elliott Forbes Robinson, in their 924 Turbo, they won the GTU and set the fastest lap at a minute 36 and change. But it was this man, Derek Bell, who really got the spotlight in the GTP category, co-driving with Al Holbert to yet another IMSA victory. And even with problems, Randy